In the last video, we saw that the Fibonacci sequence is creating a perfect human clock using a 60-digit repeat pattern that I refer to as the cipher or key. Now let's see what happens when we insert that key into sacred geometrical designs. We started off with a single circle of 60 numbers. A circle is arguably the most perfect geometrical shape. Many ancient cultures consider the circle to be a divine symbol of eternity. Think of the rings that couples exchange during their marriage vows. The ring or circle represents eternity. If you know rudimentary mathematics, you will know that every circle contains the mathematical constant pi. As far as our computers have been able to calculate, the decimal points in pi continue for all eternity. I believe that these Fibonacci circles of time are in fact the building blocks of our reality, and that the universe is in fact a mathematical construct or matrix similar to the virtual realities we create on our computers using mathematical codes. So let's see just how these Fibonacci circles of time can be used as building blocks. Take a look at this Venn diagram that links two of the Fibonacci building blocks at their nuclei. Remember that one circle creates a perfect human clock with 60 units representing time here on Earth. As soon as we attach this building block to another building block, creating this very famous geometric symbol known as the Vesica Piscis, you can see that the two outer arcs, represented by the red arrows, add up to a perfect 360. We just happen to use 60 units on our clocks and 360 degrees on our circles. 60 represents time and 360 represents the physical world, which manifests in all 360 degrees. As soon as we combine these building blocks of time into larger geometrical shapes, we start to see the physical world. Scientifically speaking, we know that all matter is made up of energy. Energy is either positive or negative. From a spiritual point of view, energy is either male or female, yin or yang. If we look at the virtual worlds constructed on our computers, everything is created using a binary code of ones and zeros. And if you look at this Venn diagram once again, you can see that the two building blocks are exactly the same but simply connected at their opposite ends like two magnets attracted by their opposite poles. By connecting the male and female, or positive and negative, we start to generate the physical world. I believe that in this way, matter is constructed from these basic building blocks of time, and that the physical world exists eternally in time and not infinitely in space. What we call positive and negative energy, or male and female, are simply two equal aspects of the same entity. We are all made from the same eternal energy. The answers are all around us. If you look at a solar eclipse, you will find the answer playing out like a movie projected onto a cosmic screen. The answer to all of creation is an eternal circle of light. This light or energy creates the physical world using cycles of time. In the next set of videos, we will see what happens when we start to insert the 60-digit cipher into other ancient sacred geometrical symbols like the seed of life and Metatron's cube, and learn what other secrets they reveal. I want to end this video by showing you an example of just how fast our technology is developing. I am now able to possess this avatar inside a virtual world and control its movements using my will projected through computer software. As I move my head, you can see the avatar mimics my movements. If I wink, it winks. I believe that in this same way, we are simply avatars or vessels for the infinite energy that resides inside us and animates everything we do. In essence, we are all the product or children of the eternal energy or light. Look out for my next video and please visit my website for more information.